In this video, let's talk about if it's safe to use spacers on wheels. Make sure you get a high-quality set and install them correctly. Countless successful cases prove that wheel spacers are safe for cars. For decades, many well-known wheel manufacturers have provided spacers with no concerns. Many tire technicians will agree that proper wheel spacers will be a good idea to fit wider wheels and encounter clearance issues. During the installation, use a good short wrench to plug the wheel nut bolt to the correct foot pounds of process. This ensures the spacers are properly mounted on wheels. As long as you use high-quality ones and install them properly, it is very safe to use spacers on the wheels for daily driving or off-roading. When it comes to choosing the best spacers on wheels, consider these factors: brand reputable and product warranty, precision fitment for your specific car model, thickness that meets your requirement, top-centric or lug-centric construction, quality of materials and process. Additionally, functions and customer support. Are wheel spacers safe at high speed? Yes, it is safe to use spacers on the wheel at high speed. In fact, many people use spacers for racing because of the added traction and grip benefit. Even some famous automatic wheel manufacturers offer wheel spacers to fit their wheels. Generally, top-centric wheel spacers ensure that your wheels are properly centered and fastened. Get high-quality top-centric wheel spacers and have them installed by professionals, then there is nothing to worry about. For connection components, like wheel spacers, the higher the precision of the contact surface, the better the spacers will fit. Thus, the safer your driving will be. Particularly, the precision of Bonus Sport active cooling wheel spacers has reached 0.02 mm. Such precision bonus for top-centric wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure the smooth operation of vehicle wheel parts. Are wheel spacers safe on tracks? As long as you install them correctly, high-quality brand spacers are safe on tracks. Basically, wheel spacers are mounted on the wheel hub assembly, and the wheels are installed on the spacers. So as long as you plug them correctly, the wheel nuts can provide a proper clamping spot to fasten the spacer and wheel. This is the same as installing new offset wheels. Done properly, running wheel spacers will be fine for years without any problems. Safety, precision, lightweight, and the best experience are what sets apart Bonus from other spacer manufacturers. A key advantage of Bonus Sport active cooling wheel spacers is the active cooling feature, distributed in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. Alright, let's wrap it up. When it comes to using wheel spacers, safety is all about doing it right. With quality components like those from Bonus and a proper installation process, spacer can safely enhance the ride performance and stance. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave a comment. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.